Hi, fifth grade. It's Miss Phillips. It's Friday, and we are working on our word problem for today. This is a two-step word problem. Again, actually, I believe it's more than two steps. So let's read it and see what information that our word problem gives us. Some fourth graders are collecting canned food for a charity. Najia has collected 336 cans, which is 4 times more than Ben. Heather collected 109 more cans than Ben. How many cans did the students collect all together? So I'm going to go ahead and organize my information here because they gave me a lot of numbers and I need to figure out what I'm supposed to do with them. So I know for sure that Naja's collected 336 cans. And it told me that Ben has collected 4 times more than that. So that would be 336. That's Najia. And then we need to figure out Ben. So if I multiply this number times 4, which I kind of want to do because it says 4 times, that means that Najia's collected more than, or that Ben's collected more than Najia, and it tells me that she's actually collected more than Ben. So I don't want to multiply. That means I'm probably going to want to divide 336 by 4 to get Ben's number of cans here. And then it tells me that Heather's collected 109 more cans than Ben. So once I know Ben, all I have to do is add Heather's, or 109, to figure out how many cans Heather has collected. And then I'm going to have to figure out, once I have all those numbers, I'm going to add them together to figure out how many they all have together. So let's start with 336 divided by 4. I'm going to use partial products here again. So I know, let's see, 4 times 10, 40, 4 times 100, 2 large, that's 400. Somewhere in between 100, 10 and 100. So let me think about 9 times 4 is 36. That would be, make 4 times 90, 360. That's too big. Let's try 4 times 80. I know 4 times 8 is 32, so 4 times 80 would be 320. So that would work. 80, 320, and subtract. So I'm going to get 16 left over. Oh, I know that 4 times 4 is 16. And then I subtract and get nothing left over. So 336 divided by 4 would be 80 plus 4, 84. So Ben collected 84 cans. That would make sense because 84 times 4 would give us Nadia's number, 336. Now I need to add 109 to that number to figure out what Heather's number is. So 84 plus 109 would give me 193 cans. Now to answer the question, I need to add all of those numbers together, all 3 students' totals, to figure out how many they collected all together. So I know that Ben collected 84. I know that Heather collected 193, and it told me in the problem that Najia had collected 336. So I'm going to add those 3 numbers together. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 3 is 21. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So they collected a total of 613 cans. So how can I make sure that my answer is reasonable? Well, I could estimate if I wanted to. So I know that Naja collected 336. I could round that to 340 if I was rounding to the nearest 10. I could divide that by 4. Let's see. I have to do a little division problem here. 4 times 8, 80. So the answer to that would be 85. So 85, if I rounded 109 to 110, 195, and then if I added 195 plus 340 plus 85 together, that'd be 620, which is really close to what the number that I got. So I would just have to write all of my explanation out over here. I estimated 340 divided by 4 equals 85. 85 plus 110 equals 195. And 195 plus 340 plus 85 equals 620. That is close to my answer, 613. Okay guys, you are going to do the independent work division problem on your own and turn it in. Just realized when I hit stop that you guys couldn't see any of where I was checking my work on the document camera. Sorry. So my explanation I said out loud still worked, but there's where I wrote it all down at the bottom. So you can pause it to see it.